My phone battery is draining fast on Samsung. How do you fix the issue? So if you want to fix if your phone's battery is draining quite fast on Samsung Galaxy device, first of all open settings. Go to display and use dark theme. I'm only using light theme for this video, but other than this I always use dark theme, so make sure to use a dark theme. Scroll down, go to motion smoothness. Instead of 120Hz, select 60Hz to get a longer battery life. Then after you've done that, you can go to screen resolution and set this to FHD+. You don't really need QHD+ because our eyes aren't really sharp enough to capture those small and tiny levels of PPI. So you can set it to FHD+, which will give you 1080 pixels of display, which is actually quite decent. Even as I'm recording, you can see I'll use 1080p. It won't put much pressure on the display. As a result, you avoid lots of chances of your display getting burnt as well. These are some of the things that you can do. Now after you've done all this, you can also come back and you can scroll down and go to battery. And what you can do is you can go to background usage limits and see which of the apps you're occupying more battery. So you can go to deep sleeping apps. These are apps that will go to deep sleep if you're not using them. If you scroll down, you can see charging settings. You can turn on fast charging or super fast charging and see if that helps you. You can also go to battery information to see your current level of battery. So these are some of the ways that you can save battery on your Samsung, and most of it has to do with the display settings. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.